Have you ever run into this? You only want to reuse one asset you made before, but somehow you have to open an entire project just to get it. So how do Resolve users normally reuse assets from another project? A common method is to organize your reusable assets inside a DRP or DRA. When you need them again, you import or restore the project, open it, and find the asset you want. And that method works perfectly fine. The problem is you can only access the assets that were included in that particular project. So what happens when the asset you need isn't there? You have to look through another template project, or you can do what I used to do and go back to the original project where you created it.
Open the File menu, find the project under Recent Projects, switch over, and wait for it to load. Then find the asset on the timeline and press Ctrl+C. After that, repeat the same process. Switch back to the project you were editing, wait for it to load again, and finally press Ctrl+V. All of that just to reuse one asset. Of course, you could add that asset to a DRP or DRA and open the project again whenever you need it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that workflow. But if you want something a little faster and more direct, let me introduce you to BetterAssetPool. Now I can simply open the panel, choose the asset I want, select a matching sound effect, and click Insert. And that's it. The asset and the sound effect are inserted directly into my current timeline.
I don't have to remember which project contains the asset. I don't have to leave the edit I'm working on. And I don't have to switch between projects twice just to copy and paste one thing. If you already use DRPs or DRAs and that workflow works for you, you can absolutely keep using it. But if you want a simpler way to organize and reuse your assets, BetterAssetPool lets you open any project, find what you need in the panel, and insert it directly into the current timeline. If you're working on your own, that means less time searching through projects, importing files, and organizing templates. And if you're working with a team, even someone who is completely new to Resolve doesn't need to learn how to archive projects, import template projects, or manage different project files first.
Once they understand the basic editing controls, they can open a new project and immediately start using the assets you've prepared for them. So for individual creators, it makes reusable assets easier to manage. And for teams, it can significantly reduce the amount of training required to get someone started. If you move to another Windows PC or Mac, you can also export your entire asset library as a single zip file and import it on the other device. If you're interested in BetterAssetPool, I've placed the purchase link here. You can also download the free version and try it first. The free version supports saving and inserting text styles and sound effects. Just keep in mind that it only preserves the text plus text styling. It does not preserve text plus animation. Try it for yourself.
If it genuinely makes your workflow easier and saves you time, you can always upgrade to the full version later. BetterAssetPool, spend your time editing, not searching for assets.